Hi, I'm the kid, and today we're going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do since I started this channel, and that would be working with Arduino. It's heavy. So we're going to have a really long series on this. I don't know how long it's. I know there'll probably be like 10 episodes or something, but in the first episode, which is this, we're just going to be going over the pieces. Oh yeah, I got a really nice whiteboard. It's awesome. Yeah, we got a whiteboard now. Yay! So I can actually write things down that I'm saying that are important. Today I will be looking at Elegoo's most complete starter kit for the Elegoo Mega 2560. It is jam-packed full of electronic parts to experiment with on the Mega. I will be able to do plenty of Arduino projects with this kit. Going into the pieces, I've already seen all the pieces inside this thing. I just want to show them all to you at home so that you can know all the pieces. So inside of this box, we have a photoresistor. We have two photoresistors. We have 522 PF ceramic capacitors. 104 ceramic capacitors. 104 PF, that is. It comes with a single RGB LED, but for some reason we have two. We've got white LED. Green LED. Blue LED. Yellow LED. And finally, red LED. Oh, a lot of LEDs. You should have 5 buttons, which are shockingly small. You've got a tilt ball switch. We have 5 NPN transistors. S8050. Another NPN transistor, but this time PN2222. 5 of them, by the way. Should have 2 10UF electrolytic capacitors. $100UF electrolytic capacitors, 2 of them. 5 diode rectifiers. It comes with a Thermistor, which you can't see because it's really tiny, but it exists. Why did you take my spare? You wouldn't get that reference. It comes with 120 resistors. A USB cable. 65 breadboard jumper wires. 20 female to male DuPont wires. A 9V1A adapter. Comes with a 9V battery with snap-on, with a snap-on connector clip. I don't know where the battery is right now. An 830 Tie Points Breadboard. This is the membrane switch module. Come with a fan blade and a 3-6 motor. We've got a 5V relay. We've got 2 potentiometers 10K. You should have a passive buzzer and an active buzzer. You should have a 74HC595 IC. An L293D. That thing. Yes, they are different pieces. Apparently, I think that they're supposed to have writing. You should have a 4-digit 7-segment display. And a 1-digit 7-segment display. A MAX7219 module. A remote. A joystick module. And a joystick to go along with it. So this is what they put on the controllers. That's cool. It is an IR receiver module. A DHT11 temperature and humidity module. A Rotary encoder module. DS1307 RTC Module, one piece. An ultrasonic sensor. A water level detection sensor module. A sound sensor module. HCSR 501 pure motion sensor module, one piece. There are only 9 pieces left. Number 9 is the LN2003 stepper motor driver module. Whew, mouthful. Number 8 is the stepper motor. Ooh, that's heavy, man. Number 7 is the servo motor. Number 6 is the GY521 module. Number 5 is the power supply module. 4 is the prototype expansion module. RC522 RFID module. Number 2 is the LCD1602 module with pin header. And then finally, the number 1 piece is, ooh, can you guess what it is? Ooh, what's the number 1 piece? It's the Mega 2560 control board. Duh. I haven't talked about the actual thing itself this entire time. Alright. If you're interested in working with Arduino, I would recommend buying the Most Complete Starter Kit by Elegoo, which you will find the link to in the description below. But many other kits exist that can be substituted for this kit. As a matter of fact, you will have all the stuff you will need in the Elegoo Super Starter Kit to follow along with us in our upcoming Arduino series. That kit is also in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell button too.